I don't know if I was...
Oh,
shit. The paper! Why is your water open?
You can have fast access to it.
Your mouth isn't gonna get that dry. Today we are making... Don't laugh. Today we are making embossed greeting cards because snail mail is cool again, you guys. And when you make your own cards, the options are really endless.
I have no idea what embossing is.
All right, well, basically, so you stamp something and it maybe looks like a third grader made it. You know, it's not the greatest.
This was 3rd grade. As you can see, got little smiley stamps all over. Just really evokes happiness in the picture.
But when you emboss, it raises it, makes it shiny, professional looking. Looks pretty snazzy.
Here's what you need. Paper.
Rubber stamps.
Adhesives.
Ink.
Embossing powder.
Heat tool.
Anti-static tool.
Tweezers.
Scissors.
A writing utensil.
And a can-do attitude.
Shut up.
Before we start stamping, we have to anti-static.
Yes, so it's this little plush bag. Okay, so then you're just gonna go like this, where you're gonna stamp.
May I
do your
stamp?
thing.
Okay.
So
All right.
just cover it all over.
So how do I know when there's enough on here?
You can sort of see, you can hear the wetness. So try not to like rock it, just stamp it down.
Okay. And we are planted.
Ooh,
Okay.
good. Okay, all right. So then.
Ooh, that is a nice cupcake.
We're gonna put this.
Look at that.
Hurry, we don't have time.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So while the ink is wet, you gotta get that powder on.
Get the powder on.
And it's okay if you do more than not enough,
Yeah,
correct?
because then you're just gonna.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Give a little boop, boop, boop. Little mistake, but
Well, you know what? That's
okay.
the homemade touch.
I'm just gonna pour this stuff in here again, you know? Why waste?
All right.
Keep that nice.
Here comes the heat.
This is
So
probably more so for like if you're embossing small things and you need to like hold a little piece of paper, but we're still gonna do it just
because
for beginners.
You know, and normally we'd be wearing helmets too, but
Yeah, no. It's a little stronger than a hair dryer. Hair dryer is not really gonna work. It's not hot enough.
so you need the big guns for this.
You're gonna turn it on and then you're gonna aim it at your impression and kind of like move it around in small circles.
Okay.
And then you'll see it transform before your eyes.
All right. Wait a few seconds, like you said.
Oh, very
Just-
good.
I listen sometimes.
Little circles.
Little circles. Am I close enough here? You want to take that? Ah, circles. It almost looks kind of sparkly.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Tweezers are removed. Would you look at that?
Nice and shiny, huh?
Don't forget the jimmies that have fallen off the cupcake.
Jimmy's.
Sprinkles.
They're called Jimmy's? My uncle's name is Jimmy.
It has nothing to do with your uncle.
Okay. So let's start layering this bad boy.
All right. Got.
Very colorful.
I know. I picked it out myself.
Proud of you. Let's do this.
That one.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow, look at that pop.
Mmm.
Wow. Wow. All right, so let's get our adhesives up in this joint.
That's a whiteout thing, isn't it?
No. It has this like sticky double-sided tape on it. It's magical.
That's pretty cool. I've actually never seen something like that.
Go like this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh dear, what happened here?
Do you have another one? Do we have a backup? Steve?
Dot.
Steve, can we get a backup adhesive? Intern. What does he do around here?
We've got some glue dots.
Okay.
And it's basically the same. You're just gonna.
Except these are dots, not strips.
Yeah.
Works way better.
Oh, maybe you should put.
I got a glue dot on my hand.
A little dot in the corner.
I got a glue dot. Honestly, it is the texture of a booger.
Let's just slap this right on there.
Just give it a good smack. Oh, glue dot. We got a glue dot.
Oh no, got a glue dot on the loose.
You want a nice like little border around the cupcake.
Color.
Okay.
Ooh, okay.
What did you say about homemade cards?
You know,
let's really address that while I cut this.
It's
the thought, and perfection is not a thing.
Let's just throw that over there. Wow. Okay, how about we get your card? Let's do some dots.
Let's do some
Dot
dots.
it up.
Some more Jimmies.
Yeah, sure.
Look at me when you did the last cut.
To what? Ooh, okay.
Kaitlyn's got some built-up aggression
I guess
towards
I
me.
didn't cut that straight.
Yeah, that's from going like this at the end. All right, now we're gonna use the big bad cutter.
And just listen to this. And we're done. Perfect straight line. I don't know what those are called. A snipper.
Straight cutter.
A cutter. Let's make this cupcake pop a little bit. Got these little dots that are made out of foam that have stickiness on both sides.
Are these actually meant for crafting?
Yeah.
Or, okay.
What else would they be for? Does this look like a middle finger to you?
It kind of does.
Just gonna place that there.
See, I remember doing raised artwork in school, and what we do is you cut like a strip of paper and you like accordion fold it and then glue that to the back. You know what I'm talking about?
Paul, that's the poor man's way. Slap that on. No.
You said slap it on. I'm gonna slap.
So let's finish this off with a little happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Please don't. Let us do pigment ink.
Ooh.
With clear powder.
Nice and blue. Oh, I'm getting some on my hands here.
Well, alright. Don't sniff.
Okay. Nice and covered. Whoa. Oh yeah, anti-static.
It's de-static.
The perfect impression, right before your eyes.
Oh. Let's go over here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, alright.
That's better. That's a winner.
Let's cover this up with powder.
Your powder should go blue. Let's see that. Oh yeah. All right, and I'm gonna get our heat gun.
Small circles. Smells a little.
Smells like
burnt hair. Let's cut around this.
Now this one, do we want a little more uniform cut? Steve, can we get those coffees? What are you doing? Now we are gonna just slap it on.
No. Well, first we gotta back it. These things are fun.
How many different adhesives do you have over there?
Double-sided mounting squares. It's a very complicated box, but there's an arrow, and then you pull, and it goes.
If it doesn't make that sound, take it back. I'm not gonna lie, if I would have bought this, I would have just torn the top off and been like, what's wrong with it?
I actually did that once. So I'm just gonna put that here. You only really need two. Okay. Ooh.
What?
You want a little crooked or straight?
I kind of like a little crooked.
Yeah.
Shows, you know what? We're just having fun.
We're just getting crazy. Okay.
Look at that.
I think we're done.
And that's how you make. And that's how you make an embossed card. And if you have any suggestions for a project you'd like to learn how to do, definitely hit us up. Give us a good old DM, a comment.
Slide up in the DMs.
Whatever you like. We'll see you next time on Fake It Till You Make It. Let's next time go a little quicker.